Welcome to John 316 Auto and Home channel. Don't forget to subscribe and add your comments in the comment section below. In today's video, I will show you how to fix a hole in a tire. The first step is to use pliers to remove the nail or screw from the tire. After that, get your repair kit ready. This repair kit can be bought in a hardware store or online. Prepare your plug beforehand. Do this by inserting the whole plug into the tool. After that, prepare the hole. Push the reamer into the hole and prep the hole properly. This will help create a rough surface to help with the repair. Perform the following motion with the reamer multiple times. Push the reamer up and down, spin it left and right as shown in this video. Make sure you have on your safety glasses throughout this repair. Remove the reamer and add rubber cement on it. After that, prep the hole again by performing the same motions with the rubber cement on the reamer. Add rubber cement to the whole plug. Remove the reamer from the hole and push the plug into the hole. This step requires a bit of force, therefore you might need to use your body weight. Once you have 3/4 of the plug in, pull the tool out with a firm pull. Give the cement 10 minutes to dry up. After that, pump the tire to the specified pressure. After that, cut off the excess plug. Next, perform a leak test. Pour some water on the plugged area. Ensure there are no bubbles. Congratulations! That completes the repair. Thanks for watching and visiting this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and add your comments in the comment section below.